So what basically a web 4.0 is? Well, in case of web 4.0, first thing is that it will be completely wireless. Worldwide wireless web will be there. Another thing is your IoT will be in a exhaustive stage. Exhaust हो जाएगा web 4.0 में IoT. Okay. It will be exhaustive stage in case of web 4.0. It will be exhaustive stage. Okay. IoT. Okay. So there will be a completely matured stage of IoT. Each and everything will be connected over the internet in case of web 4.0. Okay, is that clear? Now I am asking what you will find. As I am repeatedly saying, humans are the curious one. Humans are the curious one, and the technologies always demand what next. So what you will find inside web 5.0? What you will find inside web 5.0? लाइफ आई ऑलरेडी 4.0 में ही आ जाएगा सर, 3.0 में, इवन 3.0 में Wi-Fi 6 is also there. Wi-Fi 6. I don't know you are aware about not Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi version 6 is there. It will be started from Web 3.0, 3.5 onwards. So what basically the soul of Web 5.0? What you will find inside the Web 5.0? What you will find? What you definitely it is starting, but it will be completely matured inside Web 3.5. It just started. So what you will find? What you will find inside web 5.0, where you will stuck inside web 5 4.0. So IP version, no, it is not like that. Up to this IPv6 it is okay. IPv6 it is okay. There is no problem with the IP addressing basically. Com with computer by human, no. One thing is there, in case of let me explain about this one. One thing is there, we have the robots today, we have the robots, we have the cobots also, control of thoughts, controlled through thoughts, internet of skills, haptic communications. Definitely it will be, these things will be, you will find inside web 5.0. But the main aim is what exactly your target, what exactly a target. Decision making is already there inside the AI. It is started from web 3.0. But what basically you will find inside web 5.0, there is one thing is there. At present we have the robots, okay, we are moving towards the cobots also. But there is one problem, there is one problem what basically a problem is, what basically a problem is, the problem is like that. Suppose I'm taking one example, in BSNL what we people do, suppose I want a leave, I need to apply in the SCP or ESS. Okay, everybody is okay with that, everybody will agree about this one. So what basically it is, when i when I apply the leave, it go to my boss inbox, है ना, and what boss will do, boss will search out the possibility, okay,
Okay.
whether some schedule is there for the Nitin on the duration that Nitin applies the leave from this that to that date. If some urgent work is there, what he or she will do, what he or she will do, was he simply see the schedule and she will, yeah, he will call me, hey, Nitin, some important work is there, is it possible to reschedule the your program? I will again recheck the thing, and if my urgency is more than the assigned work, okay, or scheduled work, I will try to convince him or her. Is that clear? I will try to convince, and as per the
Yes, yes.
convincing fact or convincing communication, the result will like that, okay, he or she will allow my leave, permit me a leave for this one, or I will schedule the leave. I will reschedule my leave. Only these two possibilities are there. But in that case, suppose I am in the era of Web 5.0 and I replace my boss with the robots, or the simply say cobots. I simply replace robots with the cobots. Okay, what cobot will do? What cobot will do? Can anybody tell what cobot will do?
No,
What cobot will do? Cobot will search out the
no,
data
sir.
pattern of mine. What cobot will do? What cobot will do?
दादी राइस को निकाले तो
Cobot will search
No
out
idea,
the
sir.
Cobot will search out my data pattern, and it found that after analyzing the data, it found that it is a daily practice of Nitin to take the leave. Okay, and depending upon of my behavior pattern or analysis patterns, what simply the Cobot will do? Simply reject the leave. Now here problem starts. How to convince the machine? How to convince the machine? So that means one thing is there. Inside web 4.0, your emotions are missing. Emotions are missing inside the machines. Okay, yeah, definitely adding the machines. So some form of emotions, human like emotions, it is a very tough task, challenging task. How to feed the emotions? How to feed the emotions inside the robots or cobots? Inside the robots or cobots. Okay, how to feed the human like feelings inside the robots and cobots, that will be there inside web 5.0. Yeah, definitely, Vishwajit ji. Computers will not only interconnect, will understand the human's feelings, will understand the human feelings. Interaction तो अभी भी है, Vishwajit, interaction तो अभी भी है, but in web 5.0 some mutual understanding will also be there. Okay, emotion like feeling, human like feelings or human like emotions will be there. Emotion like feelings will be there inside web 5.0. Now it is up to clear up to web 5.0. And further I want to add, these things are not going to be changed inside 1 year or 2 year. There, it may be possible that there may be a decades, it takes the decades from change from one version to another web version. Okay, maybe 20 years, 30 years. So for to achieve the web 3 5.0 version, there is a time limit from up to 2050. Starting from 2050, there will be era of web 5.0. Okay, starting of web 5.0 will be 2050. Okay, from 2050. So it is not going to be changed in 1 day or 2 day or 1 year or 2 year. It takes the decades. It takes the decades. Okay, and by seeing this COVID-19 pandemic situation, additionally add the 3 or 5 years.
Not on.
There was some problem with the net. All of you are getting my voice or not?
Yes, sir, getting.
All of you are getting my voice or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, up to from web 1.0 to web 5.0, it is clear. From Neha ji, it is clear from web 1.0 to 5.0. Or shall I repeat? Is that clear now? Because it is a basic fundamental. We are making
Yes,
a
sir,
one.
it is clear.
We are going to make one ecosystem basically, not a IoT project, but we want to connect the universe. So these things should be made very much clear. Okay, one request is coming from Rakesh. Ji, let us wrap up. Yes, I am also thinking, because 2.5 hours are sufficient, because everybody feels the this sleepy. So one thing is there. I want to show you one video. Okay, all of you, please listen. I want to show you one video. After this, I will wind up. But listen me carefully. All of you are getting my voice or not? All of you are getting my
Yes, sir,
voice
we
or
are
not?
getting your voice. We are
Voice
getting your
clear,
Yes, sir.
voice.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Please listen my voice clearly. Please give the attention. Again, I am sharing. Again, I am sharing my WhatsApp number and mail ID. Okay, please mention your HR number. Okay, please mention your HR number, mail ID, name, designation on my mail or WhatsApp. Okay, so that I can enter in the training portal. Okay, it is mandatory, please. And share your feedback regularly also. I have made one WhatsApp group also on my number. Okay, if you want, I can add, or so many group admins are there for that group. I will share the materials and continuous learning procedure also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the WhatsApp also. I hope the things will be clear to all of you. So you can please stay with me tomorrow also. Okay, tomorrow also, and in the WhatsApp also. It is a continuous process. We are not going to complete in a 1 week, 2 week. It is a complete process. At least my project is for the 6 month or 1 year. Okay, whatever it may be, it is up to your patience. It is up to your patience, not for me. Okay, it is my, basically it is my routine. It is my routine. Okay, my, I'm sharing my detail. I'm sharing my detail. Mail ID is mail. गलत नंबर.
पानी पानी
all of you are hearing me. In this video, this is the gist basically. Ke robot is after the death of this old lady. Robot is thinking about the attachment with this lady. Okay, so this is the end of web 5.0 basically, and the beginning of web 5.0. In that, there will be a start of human like feelings. I hope you have got my idea. Okay, I hope you have got my idea, and today you enjoyed the lecture. Okay, and I am repeatedly saying, please stay with me on the WhatsApp also. Okay, please connect or forward the link of WhatsApp to all the friends. But my condition is, okay, please, my condition is to please send the link to who are really interested with the learning, because it is not for 1 week or 2 week. I will take around 6 months or 1 year. To my aim is to familiarize with the AI. You all people should be very well in the AI. This is my target, and things will take the time, and slowly we will move. Okay, so please connect me with the WhatsApp, and I repeatedly told, okay, please connect it with me on the WhatsApp and send me the mail regarding the feedback, so that I can continue and review the things. Thank you. Thanks of all of you. Thank you. हो गया सब हो गया खत्म